Hello. In this video, we are going to look at setting up a category in Gradebook. You'll start out on the main page of your course, scroll down to the administration block, and click Gradebook Setup. In the Gradebook page, you'll scroll to the bottom and click Add Category. Categories can be anything you want. For example, you could do an attendance category or a presentation category, anything like that. For use in this, I will be doing a manually graded category. Aggregation is how your items will be arranged in the category. You can keep it at natural or select any other option you would like. Once you are done, click Save Changes. And you'll see that the new category has been added to the bottom of my gradebook. If you would like to move an item into the category, click the interlocking L's next to the item you would like to move, wait for the page to reload, and then click the blank space underneath the category name. Once you're done, click Save Changes, and you're good to go.